Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali. Are you using Cash App and wondering how to increase your borrowing limit on it? In this video, I'll show you some simple and smart ways to increase your Cash App borrow limit. Whether you're just getting started or want to unlock higher limits, I've got you covered. Let's get started. To increase your Cash App borrow limit, you need to follow a few simple steps. We'll talk about those steps at the end of the video. But before that, let's understand how your Cash App borrow limit is decided and what things you need to keep in mind so your limit can be increased. To understand this whole process in detail, we have come to this article. This article contains almost all the information related to increasing your Cash App borrow limit. If we scroll down in the article, we can see how the Cash App borrowing limit is decided. It says, in the Cash App, determining the borrowing limit is not automatic, and there's usually no need for it unless you want to increase your limit. Before Cash App decides whether to increase our borrowing limit, they look our credit score, our credit history, our income, how many existing loans we have, and whether we repaid our previous Cash App borrowings on time. Next, if you scroll a bit further, you'll see the step-by-step process to check your Cash App borrowing limit. They've even included screenshots so you can easily understand the whole process. The link to this article is given in the description and you can read all the information in detail there. As we scroll further down, there's a subheading titled, Can we increase the Cash App borrow limit? In this section, it says, yes, you can increase the Cash App borrow limit, but it is possible under certain conditions. If your Cash App account is verified and you have a social security number, SSN certificate attached to it, you're eligible. After that, if we scroll down even more, they shared some rules and conditions that if you meet, your Cash App borrow limit can be increased very quickly. You can pause our video and read all these points one by one. Then, if we scroll further, they've listed some steps to increase your borrow limit, explained with the help of screenshots. So, let's understand each of these steps one by one. Step 1. To increase your Cash App borrow limit, note that there is no manual option available within Cash App. You can only view your limit. Applying to increase it is not an option. Step 2. Start by checking your eligibility. If eligible, follow the steps below to apply and enhance your Cash App borrow limit. Step 3. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Step 4. Click on support from the available options. Step 5. Scroll down and click on something else. Step 6. Under something else, click on contact support. Step 7. In the chat option, talk to customer support, expressing your desire to increase your Cash App borrow limit. Step 8. If eligible, customer support will accept your application and provide you with a talking reference number. The process to increase your Cash App borrow limit will commence shortly after your eligibility is confirmed. So, by following these few simple steps, you can easily increase your Cash App borrow limit.